welcome back to Omega Fitness. Out today, so pretty easy workout, no shoes on. We're gonna do resistance band workouts only. I'm gonna do 20 reps of everything, just the upper body for now. Yes, upper body only. So chest, triceps, biceps, and everything. Okay, let's give it a try. Three, two, one, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, go. 3, 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 Go.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
3, 2, 1. 2, 1.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
3, 2. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, pretty progressive. The beginning was pretty easy, soft. I tried to make 1 rep per second, so it was 20 seconds. I tried to make 1 rep per second, but I think I was not really on time. It doesn't really matter. The goal is for you guys to do 20 seconds non-stop with no break. So technically I'm using that most of the time as my warm-up. That is preparing me to do some heavy lifts or anything with the barbell, or if I have to do gymnastic movements such as bar muscle up or anything like that. This is an excellent way, because you're starting soft with the resistance band. You don't have any risk of injuries. The most dangerous is the last one. Since you have to work on explosive, you don't have to do it. You can spread this movement, so you do the 20 seconds of everything, then take a break and then do explosive. Yeah, it's taking a lot of energy, especially you are making your muscle tired from having the resistance non-stop. The explosive movement is making you more tired, especially today. It's really hot, like around 30 degrees. I have no water. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna drink from now. But yeah, pretty cool warm-up or workout if you want to prep, or if you're on holidays. All you need to bring in your bag, instead of bringing like a lot of dumbbells, because I know like some hotels, especially in Japan, but even somewhere else, people are trying to find a hotel with a gym inside. You don't need a gym, you just need to go outside, enjoy the sun, and get a pair of bands. So this one is pretty hard, but you can get like mini levels, like 3 or 4 bands. It's not going to take any space in your travel bag. That's all you need to have if you are living for a month or something else. You can work on that every single day. You can also run, do some body weight movement, like you can see on my previous videos, such as push-up, pull-up if you find a high bar. Technically, you can keep your summer body just with that and your body weight. You can take a break from the gym if you really enjoy to do weights. Of course, you're gonna miss it, but other than that, if it's just to keep your summer body, just do that. Just do some body weight movements. And yeah, no stress. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, the way you want it. So you can do 15 minutes of resistance, 15 minutes of body weights, and enjoy 30 minutes doing some cardio. Just fast walk or running or swimming would be the best option for me. I don't know for you guys. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Like and subscribe and comment below if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you want me to do something else. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make a workout for everyone. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.